Okay, now we will introduce the vertical multifunction hydrofacial machine. This is the spray mist gun, bioelectronic working handle, 2 pieces, and the cold hammer, PDT working handle, 2 pieces, and the BIO working handle, small ultrasonic working handle, and the big ultrasonic, and the tripolar RF, skin scrubber, and this is the hydra dermabrasion working handle and its tips, and the diamond dermabrasion handle and its tips. And this is the high frequency working handle and its tips. And this is the water tube and some tools and spare parts for this machine. Next step, we will teach how to install well all this working handle. Okay, this is the oxygen spray mist gun. Okay, for this working handle, press the silver button and then insert. When you want to remove it, press and then pull out. This one is the cold hammer. You just need to match the hole and then insert. Last step, tie it. It is okay. And this one is the high frequency. The same operation. Just need to match all this hole and then insert. When you want to take out, press and then pull out. Okay. And the other working handle are the same. Okay. This one is the BIO electronic. The same operation. Match the hole and then insert. And the next one is the PDT light. You can see the blue and the red color. You should insert according to the instruction, okay? Okay, next we will install this part. Okay, scrubber. Just need to insert to the hole. And these 2 holes are for the hydra dermabrasion and the micro dermabrasion working handle. Okay, we should insert step by step. Okay, small tube for the small hole and the big tube for the big hole. Just insert directly. Okay. When you want to take out these tubes, you need to press this black button and then pull out. Press first and then pull out, okay? And next one is the micro dermabrasion. The same operation with hydra dermabrasion. Insert all this tube. Okay. And next one is the ultrasonic. Okay, next is the ultrasonic restoration. The same operation with the another side. Just need to press and then insert. It is okay. Next one is the tripolar RF. And the BIO. Okay, this is 2 wastewater bottle. One is big, another is small, okay? When the water inside is full, we have to clean the water inside, okay? There are 2 solutions for cleaning the water inside. One, we can insert a tube to this hole and then turn this black button. The water will come out from this tube. And another solution is we just need to turn this bottle and then clean the water. This is okay. But please make sure that the scrubber inside must be here. Otherwise, it will influence the vacuum suction of this machine, okay? And this is the small wastewater bottle, okay? The same operation with this one. And the first solution, we can turn this bottle, use a tool, okay? Turn this bottle and clean the water inside. And another solution is, we just need to press this tip. Use a towel, press this tip, make sure the tip is up. Then the water will come out from this bottle. Okay, now we will start the machine. You will enter into this screen, okay? You can see the hydrodermabrasion and the microdermabrasion function in one screen. You can choose one of them. And before doing this treatment, we have to choose the water bottle in front of the machine. Okay, you should choose the water bottle. And after that, just press start button. Okay, it is okay. And the diamond dermabrasion is the same operation, okay? This is the treatment time for adjustment. And the next one is the spray mist gun. Adjust the treatment time. Start. It is okay. And the RF, tripolar RF and the bipolar RF. You can choose one of them. And setting the treatment time, adjust the power or intensity here. Press start. Next one is the high frequency, okay? Please adjust the treatment time. And the ultrasonic, okay, small one and the big one. You can choose one of them here and setting the treatment time. After that, intensity setting. Oh, okay, there are total 5 modes for option. You can choose according to your current situation, okay? And then start. And the same with this one, okay? And next one is skin scrubber. Just need to setting the time, and when you start to use it, just press and then choose the mode. Okay. Next one is the PDT. Okay, there are 2 colors for option. You can choose one of them or 2 of them are okay. And setting the intensity and the treatment time, okay, and the modes. Start. And the next one is the BIO photoelectronic. Okay, setting the treatment time and the strength. Start. And last one is the cold hammer, and also we call ice hammer. And adjust the treatment time. Start. This is the hydrodermabrasion tips for replacement, okay? When you want to change another new tip, we just need to take out the old tip and then make sure the red button is still there, and then insert another new tip. Then we'll be okay. You should choose the tip according to your treatment part, okay? And the same operation for the diamond dermabrasion tip. Just need to turn and make sure, please make sure, this white scrubber here, and then tie it. And for the high frequency, we just need to take out this working handle and change another new one, and then insert. Then we'll be okay. This is the hydrodermabrasion working handle treatment. We can adjust all the parameters on the screen and then start the treatment on the face. Next treatment, we will do the microdermabrasion handle. Same operation, we should choose the water bottle in front of the machine and then start the treatment. Next treatment, we will do the spray mist gun, okay? Before doing this treatment, we have to open the cover and then inject the pure water or other jet full inside, just cover it, then start the treatment, okay? Next treatment, we will do the skin scrubber, okay? Before doing this treatment, we have to put some water on the treatment part. And then press start button on the scrubber, then start the treatment. Next treatment, we will do the ultrasonic, okay? There are total 2 working handles for ultrasonic, and one is for the eye, for the small part, and another for the face. Okay, now we will use the small ultrasonic working handle to work on the eyes. And this is the big ultrasonic working handle, which we should work on the face and some big treatment parts. Next treatment, we will do the bipolar RF. Also, we have to put the gel on your treatment parts when doing this treatment. Next treatment, we will do the tripolar RF. And we have to make sure 3 polar should be contacted the treatment part at the same time. Otherwise, it will influence the result. This is the cold hammer, and we should press the white button to start the working handle, and you can also choose the modes. Okay, when you press the second time, it is the pause mode, and press, it is closed. Okay, now we start and use the continue modes. And for this treatment, we have to also put the gel on the treatment part. Next treatment, we will do the biophoton electronic treatment. We can put these 2 working handles on the treatment part and this at the same time. And also, we need to put the gel on your treatment part. Then next treatment is the PDT. There are total 2 colors for option. It is red and another is blue. You can choose these 2 colors at the same time or choose one of it. It is also no problem. And this is the another modes, house mode. This is the high frequency working handle, okay? When you press start button on the screen, and then we should turn this white button to start the working handle. And you can adjust the power here, okay? Big or small. Then we will use this working handle to work on your head.